Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered as a vegetable. It helps in boosting the immune system, lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and have anti-inflammatory properties. Well, how do we say its name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as garlic, garlic, lick, without the sound of letter R in between, garlic. While, in American accent, we may pronounce it as garlic, garlic, lick, including the sound of letter R in between, garlic. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about garlic, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.